Hello everyone, I am Raksha and I welcome you in my YouTube channel Raksha's English Club. So, today it's the turn of class 5th. Yes, in the NCERT poem series, today I have the class 5th poem. Okay, today is day 17 and we are going to discuss about the poem Teamwork. Yes, so before starting the poem, what is a team? Team includes the members, more than one member if there, so it is a team, and always team gives a positive result. Okay, so first we will read out the poem, then we will see that what is there into the poem. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you, that the poem promotes the essence of partnership and teamwork. Yes, it tells the student that if we work together, there is nothing that can stop us from achieving our dream. Yes, so such motivating things are there which we are going to see in this poem. So let's begin. Teamwork. This poem is written by the poet Jan Negro. Okay, so first I am going to read it for you, then I will explain it. Teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we'll share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass baton. Yes, this is the thing where the team works. Here poet has introduced some games through which he explained the priority, the importance of teamwork. Okay, so teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Yes, it is truth. It is for this, especially for the students, that if students you will work in the team. Okay, if you will share with each other, if you will care for each other, definitely it is possible for you to achieve your dreams, to achieve your goals. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Okay, so there is nothing that can stop us. Okay, there is nothing that can stop us from achieving our goal. Moreover, it also tells us that how the sharing of the joy is equally rewarding. Yes, okay, so when we work in a team and for what we are doing, when we achieve that, yes, that is the time of joy, and that joy also we share with our team members. Now, it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. Yes, when the players are playing, okay, in the team, yes, it is very important to throw the basketball in the ring. But if nobody passes, then nobody can shoot. Yes, this is also the thing, that together only the thing is possible. But if one player will not pass on, or a single player is playing, so how it is possible to win the game? So teamwork is equally important for and through the all members of the team. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass baton. Yes, relay race, you must be knowing that it is also a team game. Okay, and if one player will not pass the baton is type of a stick used in the relay race, which players has to pass to each other and they have to reach to the end point to win the game. So if one will not pass at the correct time or with his full enthusiasm, okay, so how it is possible? So the 100% involvement of each and every member of the team is important. Yes, and with the whole sum of work of the team, only the team wins. Okay, and the joy is also a sharing and caring for each other. So now the last stanza. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Yes, here in this stanza, poet wants to tell us that if you will work together, you will be a strong team. You will become strong, and then it will be very easy to achieve a common goal. Yes, it is possible in a easy way. So, we are the parts that make up the whole. All the members of the team are making one team. Yes, are creating one team. So, all the parts of the team are equally important. Their participation is equally important. And we have got our eyes on a common goal. And when we are team, it means we are working for a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Okay, so sometimes when we are working together, it is a very good thing and a strong thing for us, because when a couple of people are working for a common goal, okay, and with their full enthusiasm, yes, it is very possible, it is very easy to achieve that common goal. Okay, so here in this poem, the main thing the poet want to teach us is work together, care for each other, share with each other. Yes, and if you like my video, so share it to those who need it, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe and study well. Thank you.